So we're back.
How do I move this?
I guess you.
It's on.
Alright, we're back. There's the Atari. This is. Oh, maybe you gotta get right in front of it because it looks like it has. Like it has a reader. Oh wait, you gotta turn it on. See, it has a switch here too.
Oh.
That you're gonna need to. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, there's a switch there. You need to turn on and off. So boom, turn it on.
Which
You
one?
turn it on at the bottom there. Oh, why does yours have more buttons?
What the heck?
What is all these buttons? Turn them to. What's that for? What does that say? Okay, that takes you back. Alright, that's it. And you switch to the games, you look through them like that, and you play. Seems like it's gonna be pretty cool. Alright. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Love it.